Hello everyone. Today we are going to understand about the Excel objects. What is Excel objects basically? In Excel, objects are referred to elements within the application that you can manipulate programmatically. These are some of the objects: workbook, worksheet, range, chart, table, formula, and cell. What is workbook? The entire Excel file that contains worksheet and data is a workbook. Okay. Worksheet, a single sheet within a workbook where you enter and analyze the data. Sheet 1, 2, 3. These are basically the worksheets. Okay, you can add as many sheets you need. The next is range, a group of cells within a worksheet, which can be a single cell or a range of cells. Okay, a group of cells within the worksheet. In any worksheet, anywhere in this particular worksheet, a group of cells within a worksheet can be a single cell or a array. Next, here comes chart. A graphical representation of a data to help visualize trends and patterns is called chart. Okay, so the chart is also one of the object in the. Moving to the table, structured range of data that can be easily sorted, filtered, and analyzed. Okay, so we will learn about all this in the next videos. And here we comes as a formula. In formula, again an equation that performs calculations using a values, cell, reference, operations, and functions. Then cell, a single data point in a worksheet, okay, identified by its column, letter, and row numbers. Remember, these are known as Excel objects. The very basic question about the Excel is, what is Excel object? Remember these things. These are the basic objects in Excel. Thanks.